we are now going to do the second part of the investigation where we figure out of the amount of light shining on these different cups, how much of that light is transmitted and how much of that light is reflected. So first thing, we're going to measure and we're going to record our data here. The incoming light, so that's like how much light is shining on the cup. Then of that, how much of the light is transmitted through the cup. And we're going to write down for each cup how much was reflected off. So we are going to start off with our incoming light. And since we are going to put each cup in the same place here, and we're going to use the same heat lamp right here, we can just do one measurement for incoming light and use it for all of them. If you recognize one of these, we used in our one-way mirror unit. This is a light meter. Whatever the reading is, we're going to multiply it by 10. So I'm just going to put my light meter right where the cup is. Wait for it to be about settle. Okay. I'm seeing it more on 414, so we're going to multiply that by 10. So we'll get 4,140. And I can write that down for all of my cups here. And my phone is currently precariously on a ring stand, so let's hope there are no accidents here. Great, now we're going to move on to light transmitted and reflected for each cup. Let's start with our clear plastic cup. I'm going to put it right here. You know what, I'm going to move these cups out of the way too. So for light transmitted, that is the amount of light going through the cup. I'm going to put my sensor inside the cup to figure that out. Here's my sensor. So that's 3, 4, 2. 3,420. Let's write that down for light transmitted. And then light reflected, I'm going to actually have my sensor not facing the lamp, but facing the cup, and I'm going to set it on this line right here. That way we're measuring how much of this light shining on the cup is reflecting back into my sensor. Let's put that there. Wait for a stable reading. $250. All right, let's move on to next cup. Let's do the foil cup. All right, let's put it there. Okay, let's get light transmitted first. It's okay if it's switching between 2, but let's say, I feel like it's more on 8, so let's do 80. Light reflected. $88 or what? 89. Got to multiply that by 10, so 890. Let's do black cup. So let's do light transmitted first. Zero. And you might think, okay, if I know how much light is shining on the cup, and I know 0 of that light is actually going through the cup, make a prediction. How much light is then actually reflecting off the cup? 180 of the light is reflecting off the cup. Let's do white cup. Okay, light transmitted. Okay. 1,470. And let's do light reflected. $790.